Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can change WeChat reason. Well, if you happen to change a reason or place, then you can update the same in WeChat. And here's how you can do it. Just launch a WeChat. Now, after you've logged into your account, there is me at the bottom right corner. Let's select this. From there, just go to your profile by clicking around here. And there we have more info section. Let's go there. And currently there is reason empty. Let's go and select reason first and select the region that you're currently in. Let's say I'm in, scroll down, Nepal, and that's it. You don't have to do anything else. Your reason is set to Nepal or whatever you have entered. Now you know how to change reason in WeChat. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up, and if you still have any questions or comments regarding changing reason in WeChat, do leave them in the comment section. We'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.